So here I am out at my buddy's house in Virginia, where I brought my truck to get a new transmission put in. I managed to find an original transmission with only 500 original miles on it. So he installed it, and I've been staying at his house for the last week and a half while we slowly convert my old truck into my new truck. And I'm selling my old truck. But that's not the point of this video. We'll save that for another video. But my buddy Renee over at Off Grid Trek put up a post on YouTube of a video that he did on this ultimate backpack setup for solar panels. And he was nice enough to send me one, and I'm going to give it away. So you're going to want to sit back, you're going to want to relax, and you're going to want to check this out. Nice. Okay, I've been at my friend's house for about a week and a half, and I've had every type of delivery truck come here, from UPS, FedEx, DHL, trucking, everybody, because I'm building a truck in his driveway in 2 weeks flat. That video is coming. But the one I was waiting for the most was coming from Canada, and that was from Off Grid Trek. Renee sent me 2 of these setups right here, and I'm going to give one of them away. In order to win, all you have to do is subscribe to JailBreak Overlander and subscribe to Off Grid Trek on YouTube. Links will be below. Leave a comment saying that you're in, and I'll pick a winner Sunday or Monday night, one of the two, and I'll get this shipped off to you, no problem whatsoever at all. This is all top-of-the-line gear, military spec, designed by Renee, and this stuff will charge even without the sun. It's amazing, and he's going to show you that right now. So check this out.
It's Rennie here with Off Grid Trek. I just wanted to show you, this is one of the packages we're adding to our website here right away. We'll call it our backpacking package. So what it's going to include is our 28.5 watt, our smallest solar blanket. You see it laid out right on the ground right there. That's this guy right here, just over a pound, so quite small. It's going to include also a headlamp and a flashlight. And I definitely like the Nitecore brand. I'm very, very impressed with those. I bought some lesser expensive ones off of Amazon 2 years ago when this interesting stuff started happening, and yeah, most of them don't even work anymore. Nitecore is definitely a very well-known brand, very well built. So what we're going to include in the package is a headlamp, a flashlight. I'll go over those in a moment. Then we're going to include this cable right here. This is a DC 5521. So anyone that would have the need for, would definitely want a lightweight, call it like a bug-out package for camping, hiking, emergency preparedness. So they have power for light, they have power for a 2-way ham radio. Give you an example, that's a Bofang right there, 10 watt. You can power any radio like that. I even have a Woshin here as well. Any radio like these that have a DC 5521 port, right on the back right there. A lot of them do have them. It's a common 8mm port, so you can easily use those. But either way, this package is going to include both the headlamp and the flashlight. The headlamp, let me just pick this up. This is 27 lumens, or 2700 lumens right here. A few things I like about it: this clips out, so you could easily put this on your chest rig if you want, or on your pack. There's a clip that comes with it. I just don't have it on. There's a magnet here. Nope, that's aluminum. There's a magnet here, so you could actually put this on your vehicle, and let's say you're working on a vehicle or what have you, or put it on your fridge or whatever you might need. Very, very nice product. It's a little bit bigger of a headlamp, but I've had it on my head and it's not overwhelming in size. But the thing is, it's 2700 lumen. It has 5 settings, and it even has the like the pulsating light feature as well too, same as the flashlight here. And the thing I like about that is, let's say you're out jogging and you're wearing this and a mugger comes to mug you, well, you just flash them with that and screw up their night vision. And then the E4K, which is their 4400 lumen. And the reason I went with this, Nightcore has a huge amount of different options for headlamps and flashlights. I went with one of their highest lumen headlamps. It just made sense. But look how small that is for 4400 lumen. Like, that's awesome. That is so small. This could easily go in your, this is almost an EDC. Like, this is, well, all of this is pretty much everyday carry stuff. But I went with this basically because of the size. That's the main reason. And this has 6 settings as well, just with this. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some night shots across a valley. We're out of the city. I did the video outside of the city, and it would be about 200 meters across the valley, which I believe is just under 220 yards, just to give you perspective. So that'll be right at the end of the video. You guys will see how well these work at night. Yeah, this is the package we're going to be offering. It'll be on the website. I'll make sure to post it here later on today and add that to the video as well. But any questions on that, I'll make sure it's a discounted package for everybody, including all 4 items. So the items again are going to be the 28.5 watt solar blanket here. That's it laid out. This is it here folded up, give you perspective on size. And then the E4K Nightcore 4400 lumen flashlight, the HC35 2700 lumen headlamp, the DC 5521 cable so that you can connect directly to the back. Oh, hey, this is really cool. I got to say this. Okay, I'm in the greenhouse doing a video right now. We've got almost a watt of power going in. We're in the greenhouse. The sun is behind the garage and also behind clouds, and we're still pulling power in the greenhouse. That's kind of awesome. That shows you, again, I talk about it all the time, how efficiency rating matters the most, and this is a true 23.8% efficiency rating, this solar blanket.
So here's the deal. Exactly what you see right here is exactly what you're going to win. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Off Grid Trek on YouTube. I'll leave the links below, and leave it in the comments that you are in. Simply say, I'm in. That's it. No more, no less. I've been running this stuff for a long, long time. Renee's not a sponsor. He's just a friend of mine that I've met a couple times, and he makes incredible gear. And if you look through my gear, I always have off-grid Trek. I use the solar blankets. I use the portable blankets because you can literally charge when there's no sun. If it's daylight, these things somehow make power. It's amazing. They cost money because they cost money. Renee has incredible background with the military, with other associations, and he's designed this himself. These things are phenomenal. The efficiency rating literally blows everything else away. Period. The numbers don't lie. See by all my gear spread out everywhere that off-grid Trek is something that I truly use and I highly endorse. If you need solar for an emergency reason, you want to have the best solar you can possibly get because it's really hard to find the sun these days. Plus, for those of you that follow RFB, Renee's one of us. So there, as they say, is that. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Off Grid Trek, leave it in the comments that you are in. I'm in, and that's it. At any rate, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video. I am out.